Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to discuss all about how you can add the Google form inside your HTML based website. Here's my website that I have built using HTML, CSS and also JavaScript. Inside this one page, this is a tours page. Inside that I have a Google form like there, tour guide, some text and first name, last name, email, message, and also have a please select your destination. So I'm going to share with you how you can get that and how you can get the response from this one form. So let's say I'm going to add the name programmer and I'm going to use last name is first web developer. I'm going to add the OnlineITtuts.com like that, and the message is we are learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript from scratch like that. Right. So just a demonstration purpose I have used this one text, and then I'm going to select my location like that and click to submit. Tour guide, your response has been recorded. So let's move on your HTML form, and right now I'm able to see responses have one level. I'm able to click on that. Inside that I'm able to see the first name is web, last name is developer, email is like this one, and data is like we are learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript from scratch. And I have a response like United States. The user has been selected the United States. So let me share with you how you can clear that. So I'm going to close my website, and also everything is fresh. So step number one, you need to write, you must be logged in your Gmail account. Then you need to use Google form. Once you use the Google form inside the search engine, then you need to open the first one link. Inside that you need to click on the go to forms. Inside this one you can choose any template as you want, but I'm going to use a blank. Inside that you need to write the title of the form. Let's say let's travel the world with us. If you want to use the features like bold, italic, you can do that, right? And also you can add the bullets, links, you can do that. But I'm going to show you basic and normal way to create a form and embed the form inside your HTML website. So let's add the first one question. So I'm going to select in the right side have a short answer. So I'm going to select first name, and I'm going to select it bold. First one, select all of the content bold, and in the next one short answer, user will enter the first name, right? And also have another feature is required. When you will select it, means user must be enter the first one name, right? So let's create another this one input field. So I'm going to click to duplicate, and this is a duplicate form. I just need to change that first name, everything is same. Click the third one, and I'm going to use email, and this will be message. So I'm going to select the paragraph to write the message. Right, cool. Then finally I will create a add question, and inside that I'm going to select my drop down, like this one. So select your destination. So inside there I'm going to add the USA, United Kingdom, and France, Italy, like that. If you want to increase that, you can do that. And also I'm going to click to add required, right? And another thing is you can add any option as you want inside the project, like file upload. You will get the file, and you can select the checkboxes like please select your language, like that. So I just show you how you can design the form, and this will also about. So in the option 1 I'm going to use English. In the option 2 I will use just a minute. In the option 2 I will use French. In the option 3 I will use the Portugal and Arabic, like that. So once you add that, then you need to click this embed the form, like this one. So you need to click to send form. Inside that you need to send the form with the help of email. Means user will click on the particular link, then who will able to see this one form. But I want to embed this one form inside my website, so I need to click on the embed icon, and then you need to copy it. Then you will able to use that inside your website. So I go to my code editor and I'm gonna open my website. In a minute I will show you, like this one. So inside the WordPress website, so I already mentioned this one form, so I will remove this one complete page, right? And then I will create another page, tours.html, right? So inside that I'm going to get all of the content and paste on there. We just need to remove few things inside there. So let's look at that one by one. So I'll leave the destination like your form, and I don't need that, so I'm going to remove options, and I need to remove this one and this one, also destination, and yeah, I will remove one by one content, and this will also not important. Okay, so this is a Google form, so I'm going to remove it also. No, this is Google map right now, so save, and let's look at it. First we need to go on index.html, and you need to must be enter your page name tours.html. Once you save it, let's go to your, just a minute, remove it, and one more time we need to open that index.html, and you need to go on tours. In the tours you are able to see your header, your destination, and your footer. In the center of the body I'm going to paste my Google form, so you need to copy it and go to index.html, and this is a showcase start. No, I need to go on there, tours. So between this one area I'm going to use Google form start, and this will close. I'm going to paste it, but I need to use the container, because in the container have a content store in the center of the page. So you just need to copy and paste it, and you will go to Google form. Right now, as you can see, right now I'm able to see Google form. But the thing is, I already mentioned the CSS style iframe. In the iframe I've used a trim top and bottom to make a space top and bottom, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna increase the width 100%, and now everything is the center, but I think I will increase the for 1014. Yeah, it's perfect right now, but I need to just a minute, I need to 6 times spaced, small space, right? So this is Google form, but I'm going to get that in the private post. Right now I'm able to use the web developer admin online itttuts.com. I'm working with HTML, CSS, and JS. After that, I will work with Node.js. I will work with Node.js as soon as possible to make a complete projects on there. So yeah, so I'm going to select my country USA, and please select your language as English and click to submit. Yeah, your response has been recorded, so I need to go on my Google form just like that, as you can see. Web developer, and I'm working with HTML, CSS. After that I will work with JavaScript and so on so far. And this is a language, not language, destination. This is the answer, and this is a language. And last thing I'm going to share you, if you want to change the name of the form, so you just need to click on that. You are able to see your title has been appeared as a form. When you click on the Google form icon, you are able to see your first one page. This form is still saved inside your Google form official link or official page. Inside there you will able to use that any time as you want. So this is usage of HTML form, how you can create that and how you can embed that. So thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.